Hi, my name is John and I would like to talk to you about the CAMON LS42 lawn scarifier. Lawn scarifiers are designed to remove moss and thatch from your lawn, which will allow the grass to thrive and lead to a healthier, greener looking lawn. Built by us in the UK, the CAMON LS42 has been designed to do this job as simply and as effectively as possible. Before we get into the most important part of the scarifier, the blades, I would like to run through some of the other key features of the LS42. First of all is the engine, and we use the Honda GX160 petrol engine. This is a 160cc engine providing approximately 5.5 horsepower. The Honda GX range are the finest available in this power range. And to back this up, Honda provides a commercial 2-year warranty. The engine is a critical part of any powered garden machine, and in our opinion is worth spending a little extra to get the best. Honda engines are also extremely easy to start, first time, every time. Another key feature of the LS42 is how the blades engage. We use a top-of-the-range centrifugal clutch. The clutch works when the revs of the Honda engine get up to 2,800 RPM. So when the engine is started, it is running at tick over and the blades will not be rotating. When you get to the area of work, simply pull the operating lever up, the revs will increase and the blades will engage. Other features as standard on the LS42 are the removable collection bag, foldable handlebars, puncture-proof foam-filled tyres and a floating front axle, which is designed to reduce scalping of the ground. Height adjustment is done with an easy-to-use adjuster linked to the front axle. Simply turn clockwise to raise the height and anti-clockwise to reduce the height. When you have the correct setting, simply tighten the lower hand wheel. With an overall width of 24 inches, you will have no problems getting the CAMON LS42 through standard garden gateways. The most important feature of any scarifier is the type of blades used and the way they have been set up. With this in mind, we supply 3 different blade options. Our most popular rotor assembly is this one here in front of me, which is our free swinging rotor assembly. This is our best all-round rotor and is very effective at removing both moss and thatch. It features 30 hardened steel blades spaced 1.2 centimeters apart. The blades are 1.6mm thick, which offers a good balance between the lifetime of the blade and how effective they are at slicing through the thatch and the moss. The blades are staggered to give maximum coverage and ensure as much thatch as possible is removed from each pass. The blades are also free swinging, which means that if you inadvertently hit an obstacle, the blade will bounce off this and not damage the rotor. The blades are also sprung loaded to allow some movement from side to side, which provides added protection to the blades. One of the best features of this rotor is it is reversible. So once the first edge has been worn, simply remove it from the machine, rotate it round and you have a fresh edge. The rotor here in front of me is our spring rotor assembly. As you can see with this setup, we have used hook springs instead of blades. This rotor still removes large quantities of both moss and thatch. However, the springs will not disrupt the soil surface, which means the lawn will recover much faster than the bladed assembly. Because of this, we are finding that customers are able to use this later in the spring and even in early summer, when you would not use a more aggressive blade setup. This rotor in front of me is our fixed blade rotor assembly. You will notice there are far fewer blades in this reel. There are 12 in total as opposed to the 30 on the other 2 reels. They are also made out of thicker material, 2.5mm. This rotor is our most cost-effective option. However, the main purpose of this rotor is as a verticutter. It would be used prior to overseeding or top dressing your lawn. The blades are designed to go deeper into the soil, up to 4mm, which will allow good contact of your seed with the soil. The CAMON LS42 is built to work and built to last, and we support this belief with a 2-year commercial warranty. Our CAMON LS42 is tested and boxed, so it is ready to go once you receive it. Just add unleaded petrol and you are ready to work. If you would like to order or receive further information, then contact our sales team with the details provided.